What if you had only 30 seconds? This is a new technique that I've started using with my clients to help them streamline their thoughts. Think about it. The biggest enemy of articulation is rambling. We start talking as thoughts appear in our minds and we are all over the place. But if you set a 30-second time limit in your head, you're likely to think about the most important things that you want your audience to know. And once you do this over and over again, you will find that that 30-second rule helps you to prioritize and structure your thoughts instead of being all over the place. And gradually you can let the 30-second rule go and present in whatever time frame that's available to you. This is more like children having training wheels on their bicycles. To help you stay on track, you think about the 30-second rule, and gradually as you learn to balance your thoughts on your own, you'll let the training wheels go. So the next time you get up in front of people to say something, or if you have been asked a question, what would you say if you had just 30 seconds? I have another year-end surprise for you. I am going to post detailed videos on every step of improving your communication skills on my YouTube channel. So one action that you can take today to become more articulate is to go to the link in the first comment and hit the bell icon on it. Even better if you subscribe. So till the next video, thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead.